Bankrupt. My first sure thing rental nearly wiped me out, and it taught me the one lesson nobody, and I mean nobody, talks about in those guru seminars. I bought this shiny new build. Everyone promised it was a gold mine. 6 months later, tenants gone, place trashed, the repair bill ate every cent of potential profit and then some. I felt sick, totally defeated, like a complete idiot for believing the hype. Then there was this old, forgotten Triplex. Everyone else ran from it, said it was a teardown. But something about it I just knew. Lots of sweat finding good folks to live there, not just chasing the highest rent. That ugly duckling, it's been my steadiest earner for over 10 years. The real lesson? Forget complex algorithms and chasing hot markets. It's about gut, grit, and understanding people. Your tenants, your contractors, and most importantly, yourself. Knowing your actual risk tolerance, not what you think it should be. This market now, it's a roller coaster, but the fundamentals don't change. Stop looking for quick flips pushed by influencers. Seek genuine value. Build solid foundations, literally and figuratively. It's about playing the long game, not the lottery. So yeah, those early scars, they were expensive tuition, but the biggest ROI wasn't the cash. It was forging resilience. Because honestly, the most valuable asset you'll ever manage isn't a building. It's your own mindset and ability to bounce back. Now, that's the real wealth.